Hi everyone, so in this video, I will be talking about Accenture readiness and system enablement mock assessment, and we will be understanding the whole procedure, everything. Please be with me in the video. I will be talking about each and everything in detail. We will be discussing each and every step. Okay, let's start with the first thing. This is the mail which came today to many students. Okay, these mails started from 1 p.m. and if you can see here on 3:57 also some candidates are getting, so maybe some candidates are getting the mail little bit late, and if you have not received yet, don't worry. If you were eligible for the process, definitely not in this phase, maybe in the next phase, maybe after some time, maybe after some days, you will be getting this mail for sure if you are eligible to participate in Accenture exams. Okay, and it is my humble request, if you have not started your preparation, please make sure to start your preparation, because in this year, in this whole year 2025 and 2026, you will be not getting any other opportunity apart from Accenture, which will be on very high scale, large scale, or mass scale. You can say this is the last opportunity for you guys, which will be on a very big mass scale. So if you have not started your preparation, you need to be serious for this one, because this opportunity is like, either you will be do something and or you will be waiting for a very long time. I hope you guys understand like what I am trying to say, right? So first of all, assessment readiness and system enablement mock assessment. Let's understand the steps one by one. So it is the step to gear up your assessment rounds, because they are saying, see, you are ready for the assessment, just check your systems, just check the mock assessment if everything is working fine for you or not. Also, the mock assessment is mandatory to attempt. Listen carefully. The first step is install Safe Exam Browser SEB to participate in the process. Okay, we will discuss about it. The second step is the mandatory participation in our mock assessment to check your system readiness and enabling ease with taking assessment. Third is laptop and desktop requisite. Fourth is RAM and processor, then operating system and other things they have also mentioned. Okay, now listen to me carefully. First of all, these mails will be in phases. Okay, these mails will be in phases. Assessment readiness means please be ready for the assessment after your mock test. When you will be ready, definitely you will be getting a virtual or offline, whatever it is, slot to book your exam. Okay, so the slot you will be getting. Okay, in this slot you need to book your slot for the exam, and then you will be attempting the exam. Okay, and this is the mandatory step. Okay, if you will not complete your mock assessment, okay, if you will not complete your mock assessment, it will be difficult for you to getting the mails. Okay, so please complete the mock assessment before the deadline. Okay, other thing is, make sure, because many times actually candidates face many problems at the last moment. Okay, at the last moment they face many problems, and they actually unable to give the test because of the system requirements. So make sure your system requirements are matching. Okay, and let's talk about each and everything. First of all, this is the link which they have provided, which is securetest.hirepro.in as an v2. So first of all, understand carefully, these are the two things. First, you need to see what is your device. If you have Windows, you need to go on these two options, which is download Chromium for Windows, download secure exam browser for Windows. Okay, these two things you need to install. Okay, if you have not installed the secure browser, if you have Mac only, you need to go for these two links. Okay, after downloading the secure exam browser, which is SEB, and the latest version of Chrome, okay, please see these details. Okay, if you only Windows 10 and Windows 11 and Mac OS are supported. This is a very important point. If you don't have Windows 10, Windows 11, Mac OS, please ask your relatives or any of your friends who is using this to give at least your Accenture exam. Okay, otherwise you can go to any cyber cafe to give your Accenture exam or anything. Okay, because if your laptop do not have Windows 10, 11, or you have Mac OS, you cannot give the exam. Okay, so this is very important. Your system should be updated. Okay, Windows operating system should be up to date. Hard drive should have 100 MB of free space, latest Google Chrome browser should be installed. You should have admin rights for the system, very very important. See, sometimes this creates a lot of problem. What is the admin rights? Basically, when you will be giving the exam, okay, many times, suppose if your computer is compromised means uh, 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 suppose there is some virus in the computer, okay, something like this, okay. So sometimes your admin rights actually move away, okay. So you need to check, do you have the admin rights of your system, okay. No network system restrictions should be present, antivirus should be disabled, and all other applications should be closed. These are the mandatory requirements. After downloading the installer, okay, these are the installation steps. First you will be downloading the chromium, okay. You will be seeing this kind of a screen in which you need to install your setup, okay. There will be this step in which sign into the chromium, this kind of browser you will be seeing, okay. And then you need to install the SEB latest version, okay. This will automatically launch the secure exam browser SEB to start your test, okay. This is the higher pro SEB, okay. You first download this and then you will proceed to the test. So you need to install the installer. After it, okay, suppose if you are getting this defender, okay, you will go to the more info and you will click on run anyway, okay. Then you will follow these steps, you will be installing this. After installing the whole thing, okay, this is also very very important. Sometimes you don't have the .NET frameworks, required .NET frameworks. So if your computer do not have the .NET frameworks, make sure to install all the .NET frameworks, otherwise it will not run, okay. Then after completing the installation, you will be checking with your mock test if your mock test is working or not. So you will be getting a mock test link, okay, which you have received, okay. And one more thing, when you are attempting the mock test, give it as it is exam, because in the mock test also you will be getting the exact like very very similar questions of the game based and behavior assessment, which actually Accenture will be asking you in your actual exam, okay. Now talking about the preparation, as I said many times, they are also saying please be ready for the exam, okay. If you want to prepare for Accenture with the exact and very less thing, because the time is less, okay, you can go with the Accenture mock test series, okay. I'll just show you. The price is only 170 rupees. Also, if you will see the series, the main important thing is you will be getting the game based assessments, okay. Detailed explanation of each and every game is present here. So many videos we have updated with the so many PDFs, so you will be getting a good idea like what kind of games are there. And if you will be watching the videos carefully, definitely you will be getting a very good idea like what you need to do. Suppose the first game, which is the Pathfinder, okay, it is little bit confusing because the reverse function, there is a reverse function, there is a rotational function. So some candidates are not able to understand like reverse function how works, because there are 2 to 3 difficult condition in that, okay. So everything we have explained in this, okay. Then Accenture full paper you will be getting, also the typed solution of Accenture paper you will be getting of paper and MCQs, okay. Both we have provided. So Accenture full paper with solution you will be getting here, also actual paper with the screenshots, okay. Also we have provided the similar questions to Accenture. So Accenture asking very very different question from the technical assessment. So all kind of similar question, a very big collection. If you will see here, it will help you a lot, okay. So that you can see here, similar question to HTML CSS. Then we have updated pattern practice sets, like you can see here there are a lot of pseudocodes mock test available, there are the technical mock test available, a lot of things available, okay. So if you will even start the preparation from today, there are hell a lot of material which you will be getting. And I can I saw no student is able to complete the mock test, okay. Even some students like spent more than 50 hours on this course, but even they did not able to complete this fully, because if you will see here, the mock test which we provided is of 13 hours, 10 hours, okay. And the similar question also will take around 10 hours. So there is a lot of content available. It is just on you how much you want to prepare, okay. And in coding assessment, we provided a 367 pages book of coding questions with previous year. So a lot of things are available. It totally depends upon you, like how much you want to prepare, how much time you can give. But please give the priority to the upper sections, that's why they are in the up, okay. So the game based assessment, all the videos and PDF is very very important. For technical, this paper and the solution is very very important, okay. So please go through the upper section first, okay. And the link of the mock test series you will be getting in the description. Thank you so much for watching.